Hi students, here we will see the ray diagrams and image formation for concave lens. First we will discuss the ray diagrams. This is a concave lens and here it is marked the optic center. Both side we can mark the focus and center of curvature as f1 to f1, f2 to f2 and this axis it is known as principal axis. Here we will draw the first ray diagram. When rays incidenting parallel to the principal axis, after refraction, it will pass through the focus. We will draw this now. So the ray it is incidenting parallel to the principal axis. Concave lens, it is a diverging lens. So after refraction, it will diverge like this. Then how it will pass through the focus? Yes, this refracted ray we will extend through the focus. That extended ray we will represent it as a dotted line. Like this. Okay, so this is the first ray diagram. Second ray diagram. When ray is appearing as incidenting through focus after refraction emerging as parallel to the principal axis. Note the point, ray is appearing as incidenting through focus. So the ray is not actually incidenting through focus but it will be appeared as it is passing through the focus. We'll draw this now. So this is the incident ray. It will refract inside the lens and it will emerge as parallel to the principal axis. But this incident ray we will extend to the focus and that ray it will be represented as dotted lines. So in this way we are representing the incident ray, it is passing through the focus. Now the third one. When ray is passing through the optic center, emerging back through the optic center itself. The incident ray we can draw through the optic center. It will refract back through the optic center itself. Like this. Now we will discuss how image is forming in a concave lens using these ray diagrams. Here we are taking two cases for the image formation in a concave lens. First one when the object is at infinity and the second case when the object is between infinity and optic center. First case when the object is at infinity. When the object is at infinity, the rays incidenting will be parallel to the principal axis. So this is the first ray incidenting parallel to the principal axis. Then it will refract like this. We will extend this refracted ray through the focus. Like this. Okay, so one more ray we should draw to get the image. The next ray also it is incidenting parallel to the principal axis. It will refract like this again. And this ray we will extend through f1. And here these two refracted rays are meeting at f1. So here we get the image and it is point sized and virtual and erect also. This is the second case when the object is between infinity and O. Here we are keeping the object here. So the first ray, drawing it as parallel to the principal axis, it will refract like this and we will extend the refracted ray through focus. Now we will draw one more ray, that is through optic center. This ray refracting back through the optic center itself. like this. So here these two rays are meeting. Okay, so here the image it is forming. This image will be diminished size. We can see that the object is this much size, but the image it is small comparing to the object, and it is virtual and erect also. So this is the way how an image it is forming for a concave lens. Thank you for watching the video. Please like and share, and don't forget to subscribe the channel to get notification for new videos.